What's going on, guys? This is Clay with EKNIVES. I have here the Shylock. It's a collaboration between Bond Knives, Mike Bond of TI2 Design, and Sebastian Berengi of Borka Blades. This is a tank of a knife, but it's a wicked piece. So it's got a really unique blade design that Sebastian has come up with. Sebastian does all the blades, Mike does all the handles and finishes, so he's the chemist, if you will. This is a frag pattern. It's called the Black Hula. Mike does all this stuff in-house. He has tons of machines. I've been to his shop in Hawaii. It's insane. He's doing a lot of cool stuff, a lot of next level stuff. This one, so this is the frag pattern. All of them are built between the two of them, and they all have special finishes and lots of high-end materials. So this one is listed on the site as well. This right here is the tribal etch pattern that Mike did on this one, and it's in a TRD coating, which is thermal reactive diffusion. It's a next level coating. It's really difficult according to him, but it's super durable. So this one is really sweet, and they all have satin blades with the signature Borka grind. All of them have Borka's logo on one side, and then they have Bond Bond on the other. If you're not familiar with Mike Bond, he has Bond knives. He also has TI2 Design. He does the Pele flashlights, and he does the magnetic cap Techliner pins. So we have those as well on the site. This guy does a lot of stuff, and he's got his own knife as well. This is another tiki pattern. Mike does a lot of stuff related to his native Hawaii, so it's really cool, some of the finishes and designs he comes up with. So this one is on the site as well. I've got all four of these at the time of this recording listed. So beautiful satin finish. And then I have this one in a thorns etch. Really cool, really cool. So I've got all these Shylocks listed, guys, and real quick, because I'm going to get some of these, this is Mike's own personal design. It's called the Hulimaka Flip. I got this one from him, and I refuse to part with it. I get offers for it all the time. It is one of the smoothest blades I've ever handled. I mean, it's just, it'll almost take your thumb off. It's just sweet. And the colors on it changes colors in the sunlight, which is really neat. So anyway, Hulimaka Flip, which will be coming out soon. I hope to have some of those here soon. But anyway, Shylock, guys, if you have any questions, call me 423-525-9477. You can email me, clayton@eknives.com. You can hit me up on Instagram. It's @e_knives. And that's it, guys. Have any questions, holler at me. Thanks.